giant panda is a real bear, even though it eats mostly plants. Pandas live only in the mountains of China, mainly in Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. They have 6 fingers. The 6th one is actually a special wrist bone that works like a thumb to hold bamboo. Almost 99% of their diet is bamboo, but sometimes they also eat eggs, fish, or even vegetables. An adult panda eats between 26 and 84 pounds of bamboo every day. Pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating, and the rest of the time, about 10 hours, they just sleep. In short, pandas eat, sleep, and look adorable doing it. Thanks for watching. Protect nature.